Hi, this is Rattrap. I'm going to show you how to change the drain valve on your common compressor. This thing we're going to do is remove these screws. Let's hold. Couple of power leads that are in the way, so I'm going to take those off. And drop the case off. Now I'm going to pull the tank so I can access this. Take this out. See, this thing says seats, and it gets loose and it gets corroded and it gets icky and all kinds of bad stuff happens to it. So I'm just going to replace it. It's a cheap enough part. I could clean that one up. I just got this at a home improvement store. Back. I'm going to reattach this lead. Back on nice and neat. Put these screws back in. Test it. Plug it in. And bring it up to temp or to pressure. It's up. It's at 110, which is where the factory wants it. I'm going to pull the plug. I don't hear any leaking. I'm going to let the pressure out. That's how you fix them.